Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a white sheet and take a pencil. Draw the face on the white sheet like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Now make its body like this. Now after making the body, make its hairs. Now after that, make the patterns and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and then we'll be making the hairs first or the face like this and give the finishing touch with the pencils like this. Give the details as shown in the video. Draw the eyebrows and eyelashes, make its lips and nose. Now make its hairs like this and it's done. Next, make the circles like this. Now inside the circles, make the eyes like this and make the face of the Doraemon or the cartoon character we all love. Next, we'll be making the face of some ninja like this. On the third one, you can make the face of the Mickey Mouse. Make its eyes and ears like this. And in the fourth one, you can make the ears like this. Make its eyes. Now after that, in the fifth one, you can make the eyes, nose and ears like this. And you can make some faces on the white sheet. Color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and then we'll be writing the 5, 6, 4 and 7. Now join the lines from it like this in the same manner as shown in the video and then we'll be making the face out of it. Now make the body of the man like this and it's done. Next, take a white sheet and then make the small lines and then make a U to make the face of it. Now after that, make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make its hairs as shown in the video. Make the ponytail on the sides and then make its body like this. Now make a frock, make the legs and hands of it, make its shoes and it's done. Next, we'll be making the eyes and the face of the girl like this. Make its ears and then we'll be completing its body like this. And after that, make the hairs and the crown on the head of the girl. Make its frock and your princess is almost ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the face of it like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its ears and then we'll be making its hairs like this. Now after that, complete the body by drawing the hands and legs of the girl like this. Make its cute ponytail on the back like this. Color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making the face of a girl. So make the eyebrows and the eyelashes like this. First, we'll be drawing its eyes. Now make its mouth like this. Make its hairs and the side hairs like this and complete it and it's done. Next, take a white sheet and then we'll be drawing the lines and the hairs of the girl. Make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth like this. And after making the eyes and nose and the mouth of the girl, make the dress of the girl like this. Make her hands and legs as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the face on it like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and make its ears. Now make its hands and legs as shown in the video. Complete the body like this. Make the frock and the legs of the girl. Now make its hairs and then we'll be fixing it like this. Make its legs as shown in the video and it's done. Thanks for watching.